Welcome to Money Sips. Today we're embarking on an exciting journey. How to start your very own home daycare business in New York. We'll guide you through each step and show you how to make the most of the government assistance available. Let's dive in. First, let's explore the essential regulations and licensing requirements for home daycare in New York. Start by visiting the New York State Office of Children and Family Services website to get acquainted with the regulations for family daycare and group family daycare. The link is provided in the description below. For those planning to care for 3 to 6 children, you'll need a family daycare license. If you're considering more, a group family daycare license is necessary, but since you'll be the sole caregiver, we'll focus on the family daycare license. Next, let's talk about the crucial training you'll need to complete. You'll need to complete a 30-hour training course covering child development, health and safety, and program management. Additionally, certification in CPR and first aid for infants and children is mandatory. Links to OCFS approved training providers are available below. Once your training is complete, it's time to transform your home into a safe and welcoming daycare environment. Ensure your home meets all safety standards. This includes child-proofing, installing smoke detectors and fire extinguishers, and designating areas for various activities. Now, let's move on to the application process. Complete and submit your application to OCFS. Detailed instructions and forms are linked in the description. After submission, an OCFS representative will inspect your home to ensure compliance with health and safety standards. While awaiting your license approval, it's time to develop a comprehensive business plan. Conduct market research to understand your target market, competition, and pricing strategy. Outline your startup costs, ongoing expenses, and projected income. Now, let's secure the funding and assistance you'll need. Apply to be a provider under the NYC Childcare Subsidy program to help low-income families afford your services. Explore grants like the Childcare and Development Block Grant and consider low-interest loans from the Small Business Administration. Detailed links are provided below. Now it's time to set up your daycare. Purchase all necessary supplies and equipment, such as toys, books, furniture, and safety gear. Develop comprehensive policies and procedures for your daycare. Create a professional website and social media profiles to promote your daycare. Advertise in local community centers, libraries, and online platforms. Encourage referrals by offering incentives to current clients. Start enrolling children and have parents sign contracts outlining the terms of care. Maintain compliance by participating in ongoing training and professional development. Ensure your home daycare passes regular inspections by OCFS. Utilize resources like NYC Business Solutions and Workforce One for free business services and staffing assistance. Maintain accurate financial records and consider using accounting software to manage your finances. Work with an accountant to ensure you maximize tax benefits and comply with tax laws. Psych-UM. And there you have it. By following these steps and leveraging the available government resources, you can successfully start and operate a home daycare business in New York. Check the description for all the helpful links and resources mentioned in this video. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Money Sips for more insights on starting and running your own business. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your new daycare business.